lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make some quick cash by showing you another telling what I'm selling. If you have anything laying around the home, I would definitely recommend creating an ad on Facebook Marketplace. It's very simple to do. Create an ad and bing, you'll have customers coming to your inbox. Like sometimes my inbox is overloaded. Let me show you. Look at this. Message after message asking about this palette. I also use other sites too, like Let Go or Kijiji. Those are other buy sell sites, but most of the time I make a lot of money off of Facebook Marketplace. I definitely recommend that. For those of you that have never seen my videos before, I'm gonna explain what it is that I'm selling, how much I'm selling it for, and where I'm selling it, and also what I did with the money if I did something with it. Because sometimes, you know, I don't have any plans to buy anything with it, so I'll just save it or what have you. But if I do buy something, I'll show you what I bought. Somebody contacted me for this item here. It's the Glitz and Glam eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glazed. I'm selling it for $10. That's what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. The reason that I'm selling it, honestly, there's nothing wrong with it. I just have so much and I don't gravitate towards it. So hopefully the person that I sell it to will use it more than I did, because I didn't use it at all. I just swatched the shadows and just left it there. So that's the reason that I'm selling. My question to you now is, would you have sold this palette or would you have kept it? Because it's absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comments below. That's everything to this video. If I change my mind and purchase something, I will come back and let you know. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my selling video. And also subscribe if you haven't already. For now, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, lovelies. Bye!